In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Outlook Mail. If you want the name on your Outlook account to appear differently, the good news is that the process is pretty simple. This is useful if you recently updated your personal details, noticed a spelling mistake, or just want your account to show the name you prefer when sending emails and using Microsoft services. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. Once Outlook is open, look for your profile icon. This is usually located in the top corner of the screen, and it may show your picture, initials, or a generic account symbol, depending on your setup. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your Microsoft account page, where you can manage personal information connected to your Outlook profile. If a new browser tab opens, that's completely normal. Just wait for the page to load fully before moving on. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, find and click on Your Info. This section contains the personal details associated with your account, including your display name. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the correct account, especially if you use more than one Microsoft login. On the Your Info page, look for the option that says Edit Name. Click on it, and you'll be able to update the full name currently shown on your account. Enter your preferred name carefully, making sure the spelling and formatting are exactly how you want them to appear. This name may be visible across other Microsoft services as well, not just Outlook, so it's a good idea to review it before saving. After entering your new name, follow the on-screen prompt to confirm the change. In some cases, Microsoft may ask you to complete a quick verification step to make sure the request is legitimate. That's a normal part of the process and helps keep your account secure. Once the change is saved, give it a little time to update everywhere. Sometimes the new name appears right away, and other times it may take a short while to sync across Outlook and other Microsoft services. If you don't see the updated name immediately, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in again. And that's it. That's how you change your name in Outlook Mail. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same general process anytime you need to update your Microsoft account details in the future.